Okay, wait. Are we gonna fight?
No.
Are you gonna fight? You're not gonna fight over the dolls?
No.
Okay, stop. Sit over there on the block. Sit over there. Sit down. Sit down. Go sit with Nana. Okay. Who's been good?
Me.
What about you? Yeah? Sit down.
I want the baby doll.
You want the baby?
Yeah.
So we're not gonna fight, right?
Okay.
Okay. Why did mommy get you a baby? Who's coming?
Me.
Well, who's coming soon?
Ava.
Ava's coming soon. Ava. So when Ava comes, you're gonna help mommy take care of Ava, right?
Yes.
So then baby dolls are gonna teach you how. Okay, you're gonna feed the baby
Yes.
and change the diapers?
Yes.
Yes? Wait. Oh, sit, hurry up.
Sit, Dana.
Nana, go sit. All right. Sit down.
Mommy, open it.
Okay, sit. I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Nana, I love you, mommy.
Why you go?
I love you, daddy.
I love you, daddy.
Give daddy a kiss. Go give daddy a kiss and hug. Hurry up. Whoa. Daddy, kiss it. What's up? Kiss and hug daddy. Nana. Kiss and hug daddy. Okay, hug. Okay.
Cool. I didn't do anything. Okay.
Okay, sit down, please. Who loves Mama? Who loves Ava? Okay, ready?
Yes.
Which one? You like this one?
The same, right?
Yeah, this one. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay, Nana, here.
Wow.
Try me.
Wow.
Has milk?
Sit, Nana.
Okay, we'll open it.
Like
I want you to sit down, though. I want you to sit down, please. Name of your sister.
Okay.
Tawagan mo lang si Tisha daw.
Say thank you.
I got a baby.
Did you say thank you?
What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say, Nana?
Nana, say thank you.
Sabihin mo, bukas sa akin na mag-isa.
Oh, I'm so cute.
Okay.
You open it.
Give Daddy. Daddy will open one. Mommy open the other one.
I can't.
Give it to Daddy so Daddy can open one and Mommy will open Nana's. Go.
Open it.
Please. Lily?
Please. It's a baby. A baby.
Ooh. Ooh. Baby.